Hi everyone, thanks for tuning back into my channel. Today's video, I will be showing you guys how I make my oven fish recipe. This is very simple and easy. This is just one way I do it. Okay, I'm just drying my fish off. I washed it already, drying it off with a napkin. I'm taking Tony Chachere's smoked paprika, onion powder, not onion powder, garlic powder, parsley flakes and Italian seasoning, and I'm lightly seasoning the front of it. I'm going to actually take it off the napkin and put it on a board so I can season the back of it. And I'm using it same seasoning. Tony Chachere, smoked paprika, garlic powder, parsley flakes, and Italian seasoning. I didn't measure it, you guys. I'm just eyeballing it. All right. And not too heavy on the seasoning. I'm just lightly seasoning it. I put it in a pan. And now what I'm actually doing is adding onion. Now you can dice your onions up, but I prefer to slice my onions up when I'm doing my fish. I sliced onions up, a half an onion. This is a yellow onion. I'm also adding 3/4 of a bell pepper, the 3/4 yellow bell pepper, 3/4 red bell pepper, and 3/4 of green bell pepper. I'm adding sliced onions in as well. And I'm going to be adding 2 tablespoons of butter, you guys. All right. After I add in my 2 tablespoons of butter, I'm actually going to be using chicken broth based seasoning. And this is just for my gravy, This is the broth base and seasoning. This is chicken flavor. I'm going to take 1 tablespoon of that and I'm going to add it to 1 cup of water. And I'm going to mix it up really well. And then I'm just going to pour it on the side of my fish into the pan. All right. Now, you guys, if you don't have that chicken base, that's okay. If you have chicken broth, use chicken broth. If you don't have chicken broth and you have just those cube chickens, use that cube. Take 1 of those cubes and put it to 1 cup of water. And that's basically the same thing. I'm going to put a lid on it, you guys, and I'm going to put it in the oven, 350 for 40 minutes, okay? All right, 40 minutes has passed, and it's time to see how our fish look. And this is how it's looking, y'all. All right, you guys, that is it for this recipe. As you guys can see, our vegetables has softened up and our lemon look like it's saturated into the fish. But yeah, that is it for this video, you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, don't forget to love one another. God bless and peace. Deuteronomy 31:6 says, "Be strong and courageous. Do not be afraid or terrified because of them. For the Lord your God goes with you. He will never leave you nor forsake you."